Hello, my name is Tuesday, and this is Tumbling Creek Falls off the Ridgeway Recreation Area in Ellijay, Georgia. This is the Carter's Lake Waterfall. This is the first one you come to when you go to the boat ramp. Take a right. Oh shoot, it's pushing me. It's very pretty. Very, very pretty. You can walk on this walking trail here. It's a Tumbling Creek walking trail. It's about maybe 20-minute hike. And you go actually above that, and the falls are bigger. These are the first set of falls that I found on Carter's Lake, Ridgeway Recreation Area. And this is my name is Tuesday, and the name of my YouTube is Face the Wave Head On. Waterfalls, hiking and waterfalls on Tuesday. Sorry, I got a little distracted, hit a rock. Very, very pretty though.